You got in the deep stuff. She's so strong, she'll pull me right over if I'm not keeping my balance the right way. Hey, thanks for the thumbs up and likes, everybody. Come on, Raven. Let's get back on the trail. Good girl. Come on. You follow me. All right. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Here's my ski pole. I had to leave it behind before. There it is. You found it. You found my pole, Raven. Good girl. Let me get it. Oh, we're back in action. Well, let's go. You ready to go up the hill? Come on. Come on, Raven. Let's go this way. Up the hill. Good girl. There goes a truck up the road. All right, we're climbing. You digging? You're a good girl. Come on, Raven, let's keep climbing. Here we go. Good girl. Back to the trail. Hey, we got another thumbs up. Thank you. They like you, Raven. Where are you going? Where you turning around? Hold on. All right. Here's the downhill part. This is where it gets fast. You ready? Let's go. Good girl. All right, thanks for the likes. We're skiing. Come on, Raven. Let's go. Let's go. Good girl. It's a good workout. It's cold. You see my breath? Hey, Jabari, thank you. Thanks for joining us. We're skiing around our loop. Say hi, Raven. You sniffing? You gotta dig a little bit? Let's go. We're gonna... Hey, come on, Raven. Back to the trail. Let's go. We're gonna go. We're going for another run. What do you think? You're covered with snow. Come on. Here we go. Here's the downhill part. Oh, we love snow. We're made for the snow. Come on, Raven. Let's go.